Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Studio. Thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome if you're your first time viewer, and welcome back. I so appreciate my returning subbies. I really do enjoy hearing from you. So today I have a flip through of my latest folio that I've been working on, and it is a tutorial, and I will list down below the link to how I assembled this in case you want to know about that. And so it is about 8.5 inches tall, 5.5 inches wide, an 1.25 inch spine on each side. And I'll list down below the papers that I used for this journal. I put on the cover these really cute little charms, these little gear charms. I thought that dressed it up nice. I put a little one around her eye on her glasses like. Thought that was so cute. And it has a magnetic closure and has 3 panels. And on the first one is our 2 pockets with journaling cards. Most of them I've printed on the back so that you have something interesting to look at on the back side. Inside here is a long tag or a longer tag for journaling on. And then this middle section is held together by these 2 tabs. And I have here these really cute brads that look like screw heads. I thought that went so cute. And then I have a little charm onto the string, little gear charm. And on the inside, there's like 3 pages, and each page has a pocket. And this one's on the side, and you can put photos on here, write whatever you'd like to do. And this flips out here, like so, and it goes, just tucks back inside this little paper gear here. The whole thing flips up like so, and of course you've got plenty of room for writing there, and you've got a little pocket here for putting a few pieces of ephemera, and then a pocket down here for putting another one. In the flip itself, there is a large tag, and this is that tag that's in there. I love this vintage digital. And of course, plenty of room for whatever you'd like to do on the back. And that slips inside like so. And then I did find out that you have to put these down a little lower so that this folds down flat. Here is a Tim Holtz pocket with a whole series of these little square journaling cards. Very cute. Just stuffed in here. Quite a few of them. And this has a pocket on the side as well with another very large journaling card or whatever you'd like to do with that. And that just tucks inside like so. Then here is another flip out. More places to write, and this flips out like so. And inside here is a pocket that you can keep whatever you'd like inside there. This here has a little tuck spot down at the bottom, and this has an acetate window. This card comes out like so, and you could put your own photo there and put it back in and have it show in the window if you would rather. But that one slips in from the top. On these 2 sides are more pockets with some more journaling opportunities. I have an eyelet in this tag, and over here are some more really cute digitals. And a couple little tinies just stuck inside this little pocket there. Alrighty, and then over here is where the journal lives, and this is the cover for the journal, or this encloses it. It has a magnetic closure as well. A cute design there. I have the word discover inside this little plate, but you can turn it around and put in your own word if you'd like. And then inside here is a journal, and it is got lots of papers. I believe it has, I didn't count them. I think it's around 40 pages back, front and back. And the papers are pretty heavy. They're like probably 24 to 27 pounds. It has a cardstock cover on it, and I've stapled these together. But when you've finished writing in this, you can get your own papers, fold them in half, and just put them into the elastic band here. So this is refillable, and you can take this out to journal on, or you can leave it in here and journal, however you would like to. There's 2 bands here, so you can stick something else inside here if you want to add. So that lives inside this little place here. So this is the journal, and journal folio, I should call it. I really thought it turned out so cute, and I will list this in my Etsy shop, of course. And again, if you want to see the tutorial, I will put a link down to that playlist down below. It'll also be at my end screen if you want to click on it there as well. So thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed watching this. That helps me out an awful lot. And I appreciate all your comments and your support. So we will be talking to you again real soon. Bye.